in Cleveland tonight, we're looking at the possibility of, or the fact that 1 in 5 people will be hungry. We think about the one person that needs to be fed, we can see that we have 4 people to help. And that's what I'd like to ask you to do. I'd like to ask you to help.
Sunnyside Toyota is honored to be partnering for the 4th year in a row with the Hunger Network of Greater Cleveland to help reduce hunger in our local communities. We need your help now more than ever. Starting now through November 15th, our goal is to fill 3 trucks full of non-perishable food, paper goods, and hygiene products for individuals and families in need. We're collecting items such as peanut butter, paper towels, and shampoo. And new for this year, we're giving back to those who donate. For every 5 items you bring to our showroom, you'll receive 1 raffle ticket towards a grand prize of a $500 Sunnyside Toyota gift card or a $300 Visa gift card. For a complete list of prizes and accepted items, visit sunnysidetoyota.com/hunger 2019. You can also donate directly to the Hunger Network on our page. Just $1 will provide 4 nutritious meals to people in need. Every donation, regardless of size, makes a difference, but if you can't donate, we encourage you to use your voice and help drive the message to your family and friends. From everyone here at Sunnyside Toyota, I thank you and wish you and your family a safe and happy holiday season.
We ask, please, that you consider bringing something in and know that it will go directly to a family and that your donation of food, your donation of funds will go automatically to feeding families.